Good day class, I am Tutor Jess and welcome back sa ating lesson. For today's video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-solve or mag-evaluate ng summation notation. So meron tayong ganitong symbol na parang capital E. That is a Greek letter which is called sigma. Let me give you an example of the sigma notation. So, ito yun class. Sa sigma notation, meron tayong upper limit, which is itong n sa taas, lower limit, which is itong nasa ibaba, at meron tayong function, which is itong x. Sa lesson na ito, mahalaga na marunong tayo mag-interpret or magbasa ng summation. So, from this example, we read this as summation of x that is from 1 to n. Ibig sabihin itong symbol na to is to sum up. So, ibig sabihin, we are going to add numbers from 1 up to n. So, from the first term, which is 1, up to the nth term, ay ipag-a-add natin. So, yun nga, inulit ko lang. Now, let us give value to our n from the given example. Let n be 6. So, we write this as, ito, and we read this as the sum of x that is from 1 to 6. So, meron tayong ilang terms? We have 6 terms. Nag-umpisa tayo sa x sub 1 hanggang sa x sub 6. So, we have x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, x sub 4, x sub 5, and x sub 6. Ngayon, ay i-add natin lahat ng mga terms na yan. So, sa x sub 1, since nagsimula tayo sa 1, ito class na lower limit which is I equals 1. So, meaning to say, nagsimula tayo sa 1. At nagtapos tayo sa 6. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we are going to add all these terms. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then simplify, we get 21. So meaning to say, the sum of x from 1 to 6 is equal to 21. Let us try another example. So ito class, here we have the summation of x that is from 5 to 11. So all in all, we have 6 terms ulit. Kasi, nagsimula siya sa 5 hanggang sa 11. So, nagsimula tayo sa x sub 5 hanggang sa x sub 11. So, let us evaluate x sub 5 which is 5, x sub 6 which is 6, hanggang sa x sub 11 which is 11. Now, we have 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 and plus 11. Then, simplify, we get 56. So, ibig sabihin, the summation of x that is from 5 to 11 is 56. Now, let me show you another example. So, yung kanina lang, but this time, ibahin natin. So, from this example, we have the summation of 3x that is from 5 to 11. So, now, sa ating given na function, we have 3x. So, ibig sabihin nito class, nagsimula tayo sa 5 at nagtapos tayo sa 11. So, each term should be multiplied by 3 kasi ang given function natin is 3x. So, we have x sub 5 since sa 5 tayo nag-umpisa. So, x sub 5, x sub 6, x sub 7, x sub 8, x sub 9, x sub 10, and x sub 11. So, sabi ko nga, each term should be multiplied by 3 kasi ang given function natin is 3x. Kung saan itong x na given natin sa ating function, it represents each term. So, we write this as ito class. Each term ay mamultiply natin by 3. And then, add. So, meron tayong 3 times x sub 5 plus 3 times x sub 6 plus 3 times x sub 7 hanggang sa 3 times x sub 11. Now, let us substitute the values of each x's. So, sa x sub 5, we have 5, x sub 6, we have 6, and so on hanggang sa x sub 11, we have 11. Then, isimplify natin each term. So, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 10 is 30, and 3 times 11 is 33. Ngayon, i-add natin lahat. So, 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 24 plus 27 plus 30 plus 33 is equal to 173. So, ibig sabihin, the summation of 3x that is from 5 to 11 is equal to 173. So, let us go back muna sa ating solution. So, here class, kanina, pag-solve natin, we have 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and 33. Kung mapapansin nyo class, meron siyang pattern. So, isa siyang arithmetic sequence. At ang common ratio niya is 3. So, yun nga, kapag sinabing sigma notation, we are adding up numbers na may pattern. So class, that is part 1 of our discussion about sigma notation. So sa second part natin ay magsosolve tayo ng sigma notation gamit ang formulas. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.